Hey everyone, welcome back to another plan with me. Today I'm going to go over my one-page minimalist kit. This is for the springtime collection, which will be coming out in March. And I just want to show you how easy it is to just use one page and not really waste any stickers. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off here. So there are multiple ways that you can put numbers on date covers. You can either put the days of the week down first and then the numbers, or you can put the numbers on the days of the week and then put the days of the week on your spread. I'm just doing it like this here because it just makes it easier and I can just do it all at once instead of having to flip through page over page. But really there's no wrong or right way to do it. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to erase or white out the numbers of the week. I'm not going to do the same thing for the actual days of the week for multiple reasons. First, the sizes of the day covers from my kit, cover those exactly or perfectly so you don't have anything creeping out. Even though this is a Big Happy Planner vertical kit, the date covers don't fit exactly the width of the box, but I did that on purpose because I wanted to keep in line with the minimalism that this kit is trying to do. It's really easy to put everything on here. You can be exact and use your tweezers and have it perfectly lined up, but I'm just trying to do this really quickly because there are weeks when you don't really have the time to sit down and make a full spread. So this was my solution. So what I'm going to do next is, first of all, this satisfying feeling of getting all my washi strips on my finger. Love it. That's the ASMR portion of this. But what I'm doing here is just taking one of the washi designs and making a faux long skinny washi across the tops of the pages just to make a division between the days of the week and the rest of the spread. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my sidebar. This is a very satisfying feeling. This really big sticker pulls off just like that. But I like this because it fits perfectly on the sidebar for a Big Happy Planner, and for all of the tasks and to-do items I have for the week that don't have a specific day that need to be done, I like to put them on there. And because the paper is so smooth, the pens that I use and the markers do not smudge whatsoever, so it's both functional and satisfying. And then down here I'm putting some habit trackers and a couple of the stickers, so just coordinating the colors so they don't look too matchy. And then I have a this week script and then a next week script, and those are the only two scripts, but I feel in a minimalist spread that's all you really need. Now I'm going to take the other washi strip design and put that on the bottom of the page so it makes the bottom and the top kind of cohesive and that it puts a box around the pages. What I like to do, because there is a design on this one where there's a white part versus the purple part, I like to keep those together so it looks more cohesive than just a bunch of strips with white on one side. And I think it looks pretty good. For a minimalist spread, it's all that I really need to get my week through. And then lastly, I'm going to put the last two decorative stickers down and then the next week script on the end of Sunday, and that's pretty much it. So if you like other videos like this, go ahead and subscribe and leave down a comment about what you like about minimalist kits.